Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you different kind of ways to multiply decimal numbers. So first of all, I'm going to start off with multiplying decimal numbers by 10. So I have two examples on the board here. I have 10 times 0.5, and I have also behind me here 10 times 1.4. We're going to start off with 10 times 0.5 first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out the question again down underneath. Now that we have our question written down again, we're going to take a look at where the place is of the decimal. It's right in front of the 5 here. Now we're looking at place value. The 0 is in the ones place, and the 5 is in the tenths place. So if we're looking at place value, thinking place value, we're going 10 multiplied by 5 tenths. Now if there wasn't no decimal there, and it was just 10 multiplied by 5, then we know our answer is 50, because we're taking 5 ones and we're multiplying it 10 times. But we're not taking ones here. We're taking 5 tenths and we're multiplying it 10 times. And it's a very simple, straightforward way of looking at this question. When we're multiplying a number by 10, we're moving the place value over. We're making the number greater. It's getting bigger. So if we're looking at this decimal place, we need to take this and we're going to move it one spot to the right. When we do that, our answer becomes 5.0. But since we need to show the 0 after the decimal place, our answer is actually just 5. Moving on to the next example here, we have 10 times 1.4. So again, I'm going to rewrite out the question down below. And just like in this example here, I'm going to take a look at where my decimal is placed. My decimal is placed between 1 and 4. And I know I'm multiplying by 10, which means I'm going to have to move my decimal place one spot to the right. So I'm moving it from right here, where it's to the left of the 4, and now it's going to go to the right of my 4 here. And when that is done, it's going to look like this. But again, just like in this one here, we don't need to put decimal 0. We don't need to worry about that because 0 is nothing. So our answer is going to be 14.